Hey guys, welcome to TechSole YouTube channel. This is Rahul here, and today in this video we'll be seeing the quick unboxing of the DOOGEE S98 Pro smartphone. So let's get started. So that's it in this video guys. I hope you liked it, and for more details about this product I have provided the link in the description below. And stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.